Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending the time and who say you dey. We go download this audio. This na Ayonje, the voice of the commoner and the voice of the vulnerable, with the program analysis on current issues. As today Wednesday marks the 19th March 2025, today's we get we own proverb for today. We say, no matter how big and fearful a snake is, when the head is cut off, the whole rest is rubbish. Again, no matter how big and fearful a snake is, when the head is cut off, the whole rest is rubbish. This na a case for the APC party and the executives, with Dr. Samuel Kamara off from leadership. Nothing good is happening. The party wrecks. And so we dey take for Satwion program for today. You see, Elek na that king cobra, wey na the largest venomous snake, the longest venomous snake. You understand? No matter how you say it's so fearful, no matter how powerful, when that head is cut off, believe you me, Elek sef na pikin na you get am for play with her, dey play with her. Even you sef you heart cool, because you know say and nothing no dey again wey that snake dey go able do. No matter how big, e big like palm tigi. The sooner that head is cut off, the whole rest na rubbish. You understand? Na just rubbish. And this na im don happen so with the APC. You understand? Hey, APC is powerful, APC is this, APC is that. When dem say dem for put aside Dr. Samuel Kamara from the leadership role, una see how the party dey? Nothing no dey wey good wey dey happen. Nothing no dey. The party wrecks. Nothing no dey. Nothing no dey go on. Nothing no dey move on positively. You understand? Kongosa upon Kongosa, Badat upon Badat, Kego Brinkam upon Kego Brinkam, you know, Rikishi upon Rikishi. You know, anyway, nothing no dey. There is just nothing to write home about so far the APC concerned. Dr. Samuel Kamara being out of these current executives. Do you understand? We start with own topic. We get one topic for today, and it go like this. We say the APC executive mental inadequacies has been exposed big time by their ill-heartedness and bengane. When it was time for most of them to account for their unexplained wealth, they said they will not go to court, as they said the court has been a state captured by the SLPP. This same APC executive said Dr. Samuel Kamara should go to this same court, this same kangaroo court for justice. Hypocrisy becoming order of the day and the APC hierarchy. You listen, After 2018 elections, when Ernest Bai Koroma, the democratically elected president of 2007 and 2012, when it was time for an order somebody to take in position from the same political party, we don't decide for sale, he say, regime change. E go hire somebody na Ghana come with am say make im can do regime change. Make just say international community dem wan regime change inside democratic state o, come with am. You understand? Now, after dis 2018, wetin Maduabio, the leader of the SLPP government and the SLPP government itself, wetin dem do? Dem say commissions of inquiry. Well, wetin we learn from the commissions of inquiry by we own constitution, the commissions of inquiry is not a court. Na recommendation e dey make to the president, and e go left with the president for the sake of peace. E say I dey left, I no dey prosecute nobody because I no get sufficient evidence. E also left with the president in his own wisdom, say well, for the sake of the development of the state, this stolen money must be recovered, and there are living witness or evidence from all reasonable doubt, so I go prosecute them na court. Well, by then, the president wickedly, foolishly, with political witch hunting, e say e go prosecute them. In fact, even before prosecuting them to court, e bin don brand them say na thief man dem. Wey even the court dey tell you say, the law dey tell you say, one can only be called a criminal or a thief after a competent court has found him guilty from all reasonable doubts. But in Sierra Leone 2018, 2019, we see the likes of the former chief minister, David Francis, wey don even brand people from the north and northwest, say na thief man dem, na IMP dem. So e don even make them guilty, even wey dem no take them go na court yet. You understand? Wey make them the APC, dem say dem no dey go na court because the court na state captured, na kangaroo court. Dem pull all kind statements. Dem boycott going to court. Dem say dem no dey go na court. Some amongst them, dem go pay secretly na ACC because dem don play with their hand, and the hand dey smell, dem know wetin dem play with. While some, dem decide for hold on to dem please and say dem no dey go no side. You understand? People like the Dr. Samuel Kamara and that of this man Apotloko Kemosise, they say they no dey go no side, including Ernest Bai Koroma, except if he do am now undercover. But that was wetin dem say. They say the court is a state captured, and even the European Union dem report, e talk say the people haven't understood everything. The people haven't any confidence in the court system. Na salon, because the court no dey give justice to the people. So a court of that nature, wey dem don condemn, international community don condemn, na this same court, imagine the hypocrite, na this same court na im so dem say Dr. Samuel Kamara for don go, wey dem ruga. Imagine when it was time for them, wey dem bin don even make them guilty even before the court, dem say dem no dey go na court because the court na state captured. The court no dey give justice. This court you wan bring war na salon. The court so dem come with all kind terminologies against the court. Now this same court dem say make Samuel Kamara go there. Una see the hypocrite, una see the nonsense, una see the gbengene, una see the hatredness, una see the myopicness, una see the short-sightedness of them people here, una see the self-centeredness, the selfishness, the me, myself, and I in them people there as well. Una see how people embed that. Dem know say when dem take dat case dey, either dem throway am ado or dem go court am against Dr. Samuel Kamara. Dem know dat one dey. Dem bin don condemn dis court, dem say na a state captured court. Dem bin don condemn dis court here, dem say the court no dey give justice to the people. Dem bin don condemn dis court here, so dey say dis court wan bring another one as salon. Dem bin don brand dis court with all kind negativity, and wey international community through the European Union dey report, dem make a forensic audit, a forensic visit, dem check, dem investigate, and dem discover say indeed na true, and dem make a publication on dat. Dem publicize the report. Yes, wey mean say wetin we the people of Sierra Leone bin dey talk, and wetin the APC, the main opposition party, bin say na true. And dis same people, because of hypocrites, dey no want dem own brother, dem own company for be president, and dem don rogue dem, dem don contribute, dem don take part for make sure say the election come how e comot so. Na dem say dem go shoot am, dem go push am, dem go make sure say dem use the man for go na court, so dat dem go court the case as against am, just like how Cherry Cocoa e bin make dem use dat PR system, dem use other people. We dey go na court, we dey go na court for the very first time. My brother, no matter how you sabi read and understand, no matter your capacity or your level of understanding, how you high, so high, no matter your natural intelligence, you no dey ever able for understand a book pass the dramatist or pass the poet, or pass the writer of dat book dey. Na wetin I mean na no matter how somebody dey now wey sabi interpret dis constitution, but you no go pass again the authors of those constitution. Abdullahi Bangura, former vice president of Sierra Leone, wey na dem write the constitution, e challenge am na court. Dem go take the case, dem court am wrong as against am. Imagine wey na dem na the author, dem know the clauses dem wey dem put, and dem know the meaning of the clause, dem know the situation wey dem mean or wey dey warrant a PR system. But just because dem wire so, dem parliamentarian dey so, Cherry Cocoa, and im surrogate dem, and Esbaye Koroma, dem be no hell bent for make sure say dem get dem so na parliament, and dem so na the executive, so dat dem go come and just decide for give Maduabia another second chance. Dem say na PR system, so dat dem go secure dem own position dem. Una don understand who side dis whole thing comot? Dem same people there wey dat case dey, dem no get right for court am so. The situation no warrant for a PR system, but dis same kangaroo court, dis same manipulated court, dis same state captured court, dem go use another means for bring calm a PR system wey no call for. Looking at the prevailing situations by then, wetin happen? Dis same court, dem say make Samuel Kamara go dey care go the report. But dem same people dem no target Mohammed Kone o, because dem very know say going to court, you get for get evidence wey dey care go, you get for get a paper wey for care go na court, wey show all the results dem wey dem publish by the NEC wey get the mandate for do am. So dem no force Mohammed Kone for do am o. Dem say make Dr. Kamara just go na court, because dem so believe say when Dr. Samuel Kamara dey go na court, dem go ask am say wetin the result wey come with, wey dey can challenge, and e no go get am, then dem go just throway the case outside the court. Dis na the level of hypocrisy of people wey una think say dem sober minded for go ahead with the 2028 agenda wey dem already don sell back. Dem even don sell dat election before the conduction of dat election even. Yeah, because wetin dem for put in place, dem no gree for make dem put am in place. So it's like something die before even arrival. You understand? I no wan for talk boku today. I just want for make we see at this point, yeah, dem people na damn two hypocrite people dem. Na damn two alaki mortal man dem. Dem get bad to the highest degree, selfishness to the core. Na people dem wey dem na belewapi dem. Dem mouth na like running tap. You understand? Dem mouth for talk lie na like running tap. And when it comes to speaking the truth, dem so economical with am. So this na the executive wey we get. Na the APC, this current APC executive. The wey dem chief priest na Ernest Bai Koroma, wey na im dey remote the whole rotting machine. You understand? But God get style for dem. God don make everything don go against dem. You know, the electoral justice don win, and that is just a matter of time. At any time from now, by the special grace of God, the duly elected president, the president-elect, the fountain of honor, who happen to be Dr. Samuel Kamara, shall be installed and inaugurated as sworn in as president of the Republic of Sierra Leone. Una thank you. Feel free and share. I still remain Iron J.